Hey everybody, welcome back. And today we are going to have a great video for you. We're going to be talking about a particular product. This is going to be Test Clear. This is going to be helpful for you if you need to pass a drug test, believe it or not. So we're going to see if you're in a situation that's, oh man, one of those problems that you're going to have to figure your way out of. So this is going to be a product that we're going to listen to, and we're going to talk a little bit about it. So hopefully you can get some key insights.
Yes.
This is hopefully going to help out some of you who are really struggling with this issue. And hopefully it will give you some really good clarity. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video we're going to watch. We'll talk about it after. All right. So we are on the web page, which is going to be YouTube, and we're going to go ahead and click so we can watch this video.
Hello everyone. Today I will be reviewing Test Clear. If you want to know if Test Clear is good, then please watch this video till the end. Also, if you are looking to read real user reviews left by users who have experience with Test Clear, then please check out the first link in the description below at the website thecjreviews.com.
So there's a little bit of little bit of marketing there. Let's go ahead and dig in a little bit further and see if we can find out more information for you. Sorry about that, guys. That's not me. That's the video. It gets a little loud. I'm going to turn it down.
Hello
No,
everyone.
turn it back up.
Test Clear was launched on May 14, 1999. Currently, we don't have direct experience with Test Clear, so we would like to invite everyone to leave a comment about Test Clear if you have experience with them on our website and also in the comment section below. By doing so, you will help everyone and let them know if they should do business with Test Clear. We haven't found
I do the same thing. I ask you guys to leave comments, like, and subscribe. I'm going to do that at the end of the video. And really, I mean, I get a lot out of it personally, but I can make better content for you all. You know, that's kind of the goal. So I want you to like, subscribe. So I get where they're coming from from that angle. I would like to know a little bit more of what they have to say about it, besides just telling us a little bit about the website. So we can always go to the website and take it from there. But let's see if there's a little bit more information about Test Clear.
any reviews yet for Test Clear. If you would like to leave a review for Test Clear, feel free to leave them on our website at thecjreviews.com or leave it in the comment section below. We hope you found this video useful and we thank you for cooperating with us by leaving your reviews. Thanks, have a good day.
Okay, so right away I wasn't very happy with the reviews. So let's just go straight to the website. Take a look what we have. Okay, it looks like it's loading. Loading. I'm going to pause it and get back to you once it's loaded up. So I want to be very honest with you. When I clicked on that link didn't respond to the page. So I went to testclear.com, which I saw in the video description, and that was enough for me to get here. So now we're on the website. Right away, we have a pop-up for 10% off. I always try to take advantage of these coupons. For the sake of the video, I'm not worried about that now, so we're not going to focus on that. I want to see what we have. It looks like there's an online chat help. It might be a bot, but it looks like there's some sort of help there, which makes me excited. I like anything with any chance to communicate. 9 out of 10 times when I do communication, I eventually get to a representative pretty quickly, and they can help me with any questions I have. All right, proven home drug test and detox solutions. Okay, very good. Been in this for 26 years. Okay, using urine drug test, hair drug test, saliva drug test. Passed the supervised test. It says you can test yourself, detox yourself, detect drugs. All right, very good. Marijuana drug test kit, hair drug test kit. Okay. For those who don't know, and I've been a teacher, a lot of times they can test you multiple different ways. They can test you saliva, they can test you from a hair follicle, and they can test you from blood. I believe when it's in your hair follicle, it will stay in the longest. Saliva is probably the least accurate, and blood test is probably the standard that you're going to get tested when you take a test. Looks like there's cocaine, drug testing kits, ecstasy, nicotine. Just see more. I would like to see what else is in there. Now, I'm fortunate. When I was growing up, I was going to be a police officer. That was the route I was going when I was in high school. So I stayed pretty straight edge. I didn't do underage drinking. I was pressured to the cows came home. Everyone pressured me to drink underage. I said no. Apparently, a lot of people look back at that fondly. That gave them a lot of strength to say no to drugs and no to alcohol. For me, I wasn't going to let them get in the way of me making money. So it was pretty easy for me to say no. I wasn't a problem at all. I had no problem saying no. But for some people, had fallen into some of these traps where for whatever reason they were doing ecstasy or abusing opiates or doing marijuana without their card or whatever you need to do marijuana. No shame, no judgment from me here, but this is why a site like this is useful and handy. So maybe not something that I would need, but I can understand the existence of it and why many people would need it. Okay, let's take a look at some of the kits. We have quite a bit of help with amphetamines. I can't even pronounce some of these. I should be able to. Let me. And then there's the ecstasy drug kit. There's the nicotine. I don't know why you would need a nicotine drug kit. To my knowledge, nicotine's not illegal, but maybe there's some. Maybe you just want to know. Who knows? I do like the price. It's only like $9.95, so it looks like $10 after tax. You're looking at maybe $11-12. I do wonder about shipping, so let's go ahead and run through a simulation and see if there's a shipping charge. So we're at the checkout. We're at the cart. Checkout. It looks like it's going pretty quick. I wasn't happy with the shipping. Yeah, I'm not going to put in information. All right, so I don't know what the shipping cost is, but there is a FAQs. Talks about THC. Average of 30 days. How many days should I detox? It gives instructions on the FAQs about how to use the program. All right, this is pretty good. Good information. Flush, thirsty all the time, dehydrated, diarrhea. So it talks about maybe complications that come, complications. All right, a lot of good information. Here we go. How fast is shipping? I want to know if shipping is paid for. You can do 1 to 2 days. How much is shipping? Depends on your location. Okay, that doesn't really give us a whole lot. It ships from Washington State. I live in Southern California, so I can assume that would get to me pretty quickly. So overall, not a bad little product. I'm going to stop the screen share, jump back on screen. Here I am. And I invite you to maybe consider this. Again, if you're someone like me that never really did anything other than, I think I had one drink before I was 21, one time. If you're like me, then you might not have a need for something like this. But if you are someone who may need to get drug tested, I would definitely give it a look. It looks like it's pretty solid. At first, I was kind of confused. I wasn't happy with the video, but after looking at the website, it looks pretty solid. So give it a shot, and please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. Again, we would like to know what you think. If you've used this product before, if you have some detailed inside information, share it with us so we can help out someone else, save their time and their energy. All right, be well. We'll talk more soon in the next video.